What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to new video, guys. So today we're in the E46. We got a special mod for this car. Actually, it's not really that special, but it's a pretty cool mod regardless. So we are changing out the front bumper. So I've been rocking the no front bumper for a while now, but we ended up copying an M3 style front bumper. So today we're gonna go ahead, get it painted and installed. So right now we're gonna go ahead, unbox the bumper, show you guys what we got, and then we're gonna go ahead, drive over to the paint shop, get it painted, and then hopefully get a polish as well for the car, because the car could just use a polish overall. The paint's not in the best shape, but I think it can be restored enough to where it will look good. So yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's go ahead, jump right into that. Alrighty guys, so we got the M3 style front bumper here. So it is like plastic, but let's go ahead, see if we can set it on here just a little bit. You can kind of see how it's gonna look. Obviously we have like the foam on both sides, but bro, that actually looks really good. Way better than a stock bumper. So super happy about that. Let's see if I can fit it on better. Alright guys, so it looks really good. So I think now what we're gonna go ahead and do, put it back into the car and go ahead drive over to the paint shop. We're gonna have them install everything on there. We're also gonna get a nice polish on the car. So hopefully, if you guys can see, the car is in desperate need of a nice wash and polish. Paint is pretty messed up like this. The rear bumper is the only part that's really fading. Everything else, honestly, with a basic polish, maybe except for the trunk, has some clear coat coming up, but other than that, I think a nice polish will really help the car. So we're gonna go ahead, do that with them as well. But yeah, let's go ahead, put the bumper back in and head over to the paint shop. Alrighty guys, so it is about a week later. We ended up picking up the E46 from the paint shop last night. It was dark, so I didn't really get too much video. I recorded with my phone, so hopefully I would have thrown that up by now. But yeah, we picked it up last night. Me and Nick went over there. They painted the front bumper and they ended up polishing the car. Yeah guys, we just pulled up. They ended up polishing it, so it actually looks a lot better. It's hard to see. Oh bro, they fixed this like hood. They fixed the hood as well. Bro, it actually looks really good. Dude, the polish actually looks really good.
Look at this.
Wow, you can actually see the pearls.
Look at me. Oh, there you go.
It's even dusty.
Bro.
It's a lot better though.
Yeah, it's really dusty.
You can tell.
It still looks freaking shiny, bro. Oh wow, bro. They actually made it look really good. Surprising.
Because I think they painted this part.
Yeah, it looks like
a little bit.
The hood.
The hood.
No, yeah, just the hood. Looks like this thing though. And it looks like these front pieces as well, possibly.
Bro, it looks a lot better though.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we got the bumper in the E46. The E46 is right over here. So we're gonna go ahead and install this front bumper now. I've been waiting a very long time to get this front bumper installed. Like literally over like a month and a half now, or 2 months I've even had the bumper. I've just been so busy, so I apologize for that, guys. Literally been busy with life. So Pretty sure you guys know how that is. But yeah, getting back into the swing of things since this winter season. I don't know, it slows down so much because it's hard to record because there's like no light, and I like to record in the afternoon. But there's just no time with work and everything. So anyway, we're here today. We are installing this front bumper, so let's go ahead and jump right into that. Howdy guys, so we got the bumper over here. So yeah guys, here is the bumper. It's all painted. Let me go ahead and grab it real quick. So here it is guys. We got the bumper painted. It's hard to see in this lighting, but it is green. Looks pretty good. Unfortunately, it is pretty windy today guys, so it's gonna be kind of hard to record and everything, but yeah, so here's the bumper. They ended up polishing the car. It's a little bit dusty now, but it's so much shinier than what it was before. Obviously there's like the problems with the paint and everything, but this actually looks a lot better right here compared to before. There was a big dent right there. You can still kind of see the dent, but now it doesn't look as bad. Obviously the paint on the rear bumper was chipping, but I said it's all good. It is what it is. But yeah, definitely shinier, looks good. Wow guys, that looks so good. What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's so much more aggressive. Oh my goodness, let me know what you guys think down below. But I think we actually are gonna have to change out these chrome grills to some black ones, because to be honest, now it just doesn't fit the front end. But this looks so much better. Check this out guys, it's all low. I think we're gonna go ahead and have to take this thing to the car wash, get it all washed up, looking nice. But dang guys, look at that. So I think what we're gonna do next real quick is install the brackets in both these sides real quick. And you know what I just realized? I forgot to put on the grill down here. So we're gonna go ahead, take it back off, put everything back on. Alrighty guys, so we got it all installed now. Took a lot longer than I expected, but it is on. So I think what we're gonna go ahead and do now, we're gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash, because it is really dirty, dusty. It's kind of hard to see, but it's pretty dusty. And I just want to see what this car looks like when it's clean. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. Alrighty guys, so it is still pretty windy outside, so that's why I'm not outside and I'm inside the car. But we installed the front bumper. It looks really good. The whole car was polished, so now that it's clean, it actually looks like newer. I don't know if that makes sense, but we're also probably gonna go get the headlights polished tomorrow, but that'll be a separate video. I'm hoping to be able to get that done. But yeah, once that's done, this car is gonna be looking pretty clean. Very happy with how it's turning out. Let me know if you guys like this style bumper. I'll probably have a link down below to it. I got it off of eBay. It was like 250 bucks, I think, something like that. Nothing too crazy. After paint and everything, I spent 500 for paint, blending, and polish. So around $750 to get the front end looking really nice, which it's a pretty good deal. Nothing too crazy. I guess it's not really the best kind of deal, but yeah, for paint is always pretty expensive compared to wrap. Like I could have bought a whole roll of wrap for like $450 and wrap the car, but I wanted to keep the paint because I think it's a unique color combo with the brown interior and also the green, Oxford green metallic. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah guys, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to go ahead, subscribe down below, make sure to give the video a like. Remember to check me out on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up my Instagram right over here. And with that being said, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that part of the car. We'll catch you guys later.